What's up, guys? It's your boy KennyBeanEmpire, and I'm here in my studio, KennyBeanEmpire Studio, west side of Baltimore. Let's go. Just made a quick pickup, my second camera. I just bought the Nikon D. It don't really matter which one, because I'm here to tell you guys, you can take pictures with the shittiest camera. You can take the best pictures with the best camera. It does not matter what kind of camera you have. It matters your creativity, your mindset, the goal that you're trying to accomplish. Like, did you really plan for it? Like, you know what I mean? Like, your editing. Where's your editing skills at? Like, photography consists of a lot of things, man. You have to be a well-rounded photographer. You know what I mean? Shout out to all my well-rounded photographers out there that can take a picture, creativity, plan and book, you know what I mean? Customer service, make the client feel comfortable while you take, like, you gotta be, like, well-rounded, man, even as a barber. And I told you my channel is about barbering and photography. So shout out to my barbers out there trying to gain clientele, trying to get money, trying to really just step their life up. Because I'm telling you now, barbering is changing lives out here. Like, you could come in the game, you could be a barber and you could make 6 figures out here easy. Like, you could really make 6 figures as a barber if you put your heart into it. You gotta care about your clients. This is the KennyBeanEmpire Show, man. We live on YouTube, Instagram, wherever you see this at, it's what it is. So look, lock in, subscribe to my podcast too, man. The KennyBeanEmpire podcast on iTunes or wherever you at, Spotify. Let's go. We definitely on Spotify. Shout out to Spotify. Hopefully we can get them to sponsor and like really like shout us out and really plug us in, no homo, to the audience that we need to be at. So look, I told y'all, once I get my secondary camera, which is a Canon, you know what I'm saying? My Canon is the best at video. And that's another thing, man. Canon is better at video than Nikon. I'm telling you guys, Nikon to me is better with pictures than Canon. So Nikon for pictures, Canon for video. Canon autofocus is serious. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys that now. If you don't know about Canon autofocus, and with a bigger, better camera, they got the dual pixel AF that really track your face. Sony has a really good, it's been said that Sony has a really good autofocus system, but I don't know. I personally haven't yet had the pleasure of having a Sony in my hand for use, but that's gonna change. I'm a Nikon heavy person. I just converted to Canon for video. Like, I just had that wild moment. You feel me? Shout out to my homeboy, my army guy. My army client really looked out for me when my camera was broke. Let me hold his Canon. And then I stumbled upon the Canon like, wow. So now it's Canon for video, baby. And look, we gonna be pumping this content out every day. We gonna be talking about waves. I definitely got the wavy, the 360 waves. I got that texture. Like, the difference between me and the wave game is like I got waves and the texture of my hair is really like pronounced. It's like I got that like Persian rug on the top of my shit. Like, I gotta brush my hair with some different shit. Like, you gotta have an imported brush. Like, I just don't cop on no Diane. And that's not no shot to Diane, because I like Diane and other brush makers. But yo, I really need, like, yeah, KennyBeanEmpire, 360 waver, lit waver, top waves. We got all types of wave pages and wave affiliates. Like, I got the do-rags on deck. I got the iPhone cases on deck. So look, man, check my website. I got a little bit of everything on my website. You can get a haircut. You can get a photo shoot. You can buy products. You can really book consultations, business promos, like whatever you need, man. You could buy a logo from your boy. I design logos. It's like, man, the opportunities are endless. When the camera come on, I just get in go mode. And if you don't know by now, you're gonna see, because I'm gonna really be just pumping these motherfucking videos out. I'm gonna just be pumping them out straight like that. The camera about to go dead, but we about to see what this is about, and we're gonna edit it, chop it up, and let me know what you think, man. Let me really know what you think about the videos, man. Even if you don't fuck with them, it don't matter. But look, it's your boy KennyBeanEmpire, man. Lock in. This is episode 1. It's really not episode 1. It's really 015 episode of Daily Bean. The Daily Bean episode 015, 15 episodes of the Daily Bean. But look, let's fucking get it, man. This fucking Nikon, man, I'm telling y'all, yo, this Nikon is fucking lit. Yo, this Nikon is fucking lit, yo. If I show y'all some of the, matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all if I can before the fucking battery die. Oh, shit. Shorty. I can't really show you, yo, but yo, these joints is mean. These